Do you want to set up your profits with the first ever, super complete, unlimited promotion designs? You're right to be here. The new fact is, businesses are closing their offline shops and setting up online stores for your safety. It's not by choice. Everyone is being forced to shop online, which is why online sales are exploding worldwide like never before. 95% of viewers like attractive graphic design to deliver a message, compared to 5% only reading it in text. Buying online has become a necessity thanks to social distancing, and visual content is the only thing right now that's getting people's attention. It's your smart ways to make unlimited promotion designs by building engagement and conversion rates on social media and online stores. Attract buyer attention with professional, stunning visuals. Increase your e-commerce sales with powerful designs ads. Instantly start a side business with ready-to-sell awesome designs and make your 100% profits. Stop thinking about everything. Get more traffic and profit for your business right now. No more create yourself. No more stress. No more wasting time. Now you can easily create unique and amazing visual designs in a few seconds and charge a premium, get paid, and keep 100% of the profits on sites off your desk as well. Introducing CanvaKitz. It's an all-in-one designer for unlimited traffic and sales. Your visual content is ready to post in a few seconds. CanvaKitz is custom-made by a team of professionals just for you, as you will not find our templates anywhere included in the Canva library, whether you're using a free account or a pro account. These are the best tools you need to grab customer attention with professional visual content. Your design like a professional and under your control with CanvaKitz. Just 3 simple and easy ways to create high-quality design promos with CanvaKitz collections. Step 1. Log in and select a template. Step 2. Edit template with Canva. Step 3. Export and post. Yes! Is easy and fast, right? You can create unlimited high-converting promotion designs in a few seconds. You'll get 1,900 plus templates for your business. Check out our templates. You only need CanvaKitz to make the best promotion on your post, ads, blog, and many more. No more create yourself. No more stress. No more wasting time. CanvaKitz helps you save countless hours and thousands of dollars on your business without much effort. Today is your day because you will get a special price and commercial license. So you can start working hard as a professional graphics creator and sell unlimited designs creation services on social media or website services and make your 100% profit. What are you waiting for? Buy now and get a special price. Early bird price for CanvaKitz will end in a few hours. You only need to click the button below and access CanvaKitz with a special discount price.